The following segment is sponsored by Chase. It's that time. We have entered the holiday season and preparation has begun. I know I am so excited about buying gifts for family and friends and planning for all the holiday parties, but I want to make sure my holiday spending pays off. So we have Sherita Janielle Rankins, lifestyle and travel expert, here to help us understand how we can spend smarter and even get some cash back this holiday season. Sherita, do you have tips for becoming a savvy spender during this upcoming holiday season?
I think spending this holiday is all about getting creative, planning, and making sure that you know if your credit card rewards can work for you to make your money go further. So with regards to entertaining, think about ditching the traditional methods of big dinners and hosting a potluck instead. Also, there's white elephant parties where your guests and your family and friends can bring small but thoughtful gifts to exchange. You can take advantage of neighborhood light shows, and also volunteering is a great way to spend the holidays. You want to make your money go further, so see if your credit card has any special offers or benefits to earn you cash back on your everyday purchases. The Chase Freedom Flex card has bonus spending categories every quarter, and this season you can earn 5% cash back at select wholesale clubs, select charities, and through PayPal. So whether you're shopping and stocking up for holiday parties, doing some donating, or just shopping online and choose PayPal as your checkout method, you can earn 5% cash back up to $1,500 spent. So having the Chase Freedom Flex is like cash backing while you're spending. I like to think about saving with everything related to travel. So whether you are road tripping or flying, think about stocking up on these travel related snacks and also your drugstore visits. And then when you get to your destination, stopping at a grocery store before you reach your hotel can help you save money on all those hunger cravings, and you'll have everything at your disposal. Chase Freedom Flex Unlimited and the Flex card will earn you $200 welcome rewards, as well as 5% cash back in your first year at grocery stores and gas stations. And that's up to $12,000 spent. And this is on top of your everyday cashback rewards that do not expire as long as your account is open. For the month of November, you can take advantage of Chase Month of More. So whether you have a Chase Freedom, Flex, an Unlimited, a Freedom Student, or Rise card, you can earn 5% at some of your favorite retailers and also 15% off discount gift card redemptions. It's really a great month to be a Chase Freedom card member. You can go to chase.com/freedom to learn all about the offers, and I'm going to wish you a happy holidays and happy cash backing this season.